Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Zebronics Zeb NC3300 laptop cooling pad. Now this is the front side of the packaging and we can see several key features being highlighted. Let's go through those one by one. It has a retractable stand so you can change the elevation. You have two USB ports on it and it's powered by two 120mm fans which also have a blue LED. The same three features have been mentioned over here. The others are that it offers silent operation, so the fans are quite silent. It's lightweight, and it's powered only using a USB. On either side, we have the name and branding, again, of the cooling pad. Nothing on the front, nothing on the back side, so we'll just go to the rear. Over here, we see the same features that were mentioned on the front again. Then we have the contact information for the manufacturer. And over here, we have the specifications. So the fan dimensions are 120 millimeters in diameter and 15 millimeters in thickness. The fan speed can go up to 1300 RPMs with a tolerance of plus minus 10%. Airflow is about 75 cubic feet per minute and with a tolerance of 15%. Laptops of sizes between 35.56 to 39.62 centimeters can be used. The power consumption is DC 5 volts, as they've already stated that this thing is powered using a USB port. The dimensions happen to be 36.8 centimeters by 26 centimeters by 2.7 centimeters. And the device is about 624 grams in weight. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. There isn't anything else on the packaging. Let's look at the cable first. This is a simple USB 2.0 cable, but the difference over here is that both ends have the USB Type A port. Now this is not commonly found, but it is quite easy to find a replacement for. The length is about 60 centimeters, 50 to 60 centimeters. Then we have the cooling pad. So you can see a little Zebronics branding over here. And the top surface has a metal mesh through which you can actually see the two fans being placed. If we angle it, you might be able to see it a little better. There you go. There's one fan over here and the other fan over here. You have two little stoppers at the bottom, so you can prevent your laptop from sliding off. And once we flip it around, you can see that it has two rubber feet on the bottom and two more on the top on either side. Then here are the two retractable feet. You have two levels basically. The first one, you just tilt it open and then you can pull out another level so that this gives you more height. And on this side, you have the two USB ports. There's nothing on the left side or the right side. The front and the back we've already seen. So that's it for the unboxing of the Zebronics Zeb NC3300 laptop cooling pad. Thank you for watching.